Day one in Fiji, and Papa K came and picked me up, and we went straight to the markets. This is measuring out 1 kilo of kava, some awesome brooms that they made, and sheds full of kava, fruit and vegetables. The market's busiest day is Saturdays. Check out the display of tomatoes. You can get every kind of fruit and vegetable. Here is apparently the best quality grog. These are live mussels. Then we got a snack of pineapple. So juicy, so sweet. Here's Papa K, he went and got me a fresh juice. So yummy. Then went for a drive around Denarau, and we went looking for some fresh fish. But we didn't find what we were after. Went and checked in at the hotel. This is the view from the 6th story. I'm about to get into, wait for it, this. What are you doing today? Are you in Fiji? Because I am. Can't wait for Beck to get here. Here's a walkthrough over the pool, into the bar and outdoor restaurant area. Then up here is like this beachy area, but it's on the deck. And then at the end of it, it is the actual beach. So lovely. Some horses walking past. I laid in the sun, ate some fresh pawpaw. Then this is our hotel and the beach. And then we went and picked up Beck from the airport. We came back, had dinner. Check out that sunset.